Hello, Mingalava. Welcome to this episode of 5-Minute Grammar. My name's Harriet. Jamana me Harriet ba. Let's learn how to say instead of something in Myanmar using asa. So as you can see, in English we say instead of plus something, usually a noun or a noun phrase, right? In Myanmar, we just need to flip it round the other way. So we put our something first, followed by asa. Let's check it out in some examples, shall we? Imagine you're in a restaurant and you see a tasty-looking dish on the menu, but the meat in the dish is pork and you'd prefer chicken. So you ask your waiter, "For this dish here, instead of the pork, can I have it with chicken?" Did you spot the main phrase there? Instead of pork. With the asa. Let's practice asking the question. Diha with the asa. Jetta net yamala. Great. A bit faster. Diha with the asa. Jetta net yamala. Well done. And what if we see chicken on the menu, but we'd really rather have pork? How could we say, "For this dish, instead of chicken, could I have it with pork?" Hode, diha, jetta asa, wetta net yamala. Can we hear you say it again? Awesome. Let's try one more combo. What if the dish features fish, but we're really not that big on seafood? So we ask, instead of the fish, can I have it with chicken? How would we ask that in Myanmar? Hode mane, you're right. Diha nga asa, jetta net yamala. Can you say it again? Excellent. Next scenario, you say to your friend, "Well, instead of taking a bus, why not go by taxi? More expensive, but so much more convenient." So in Myanmar, we'd say, "Bus ka si me asa, taxi net twa lai pa la." This verb lai pa la ending has that tone of, why don't you just verb it? Sa lai pa la, why don't you just eat it? La lai pa la, why don't you just come? So anyway, let's flip it around. This time, how would we say, instead of taking a taxi, why not go by bus? Can you work it out? Yes, that's it. Taxi si me asa, bus ka net twa lai pa la. Can we hear you say it? Good job. Let's use that "why don't you just verb it" construction again in our new sentence. We want to say, instead of emailing him, why not just call him on the phone? Tugo email po me asa, phone call lai pa la. You have a go. Cool. A bit faster. Tugo email po me asa, phone call lai pa la. Fantastic. And if we switch it, instead of calling him, why not just send an email? Can you figure it out? Yes, right. Tugo phone call me asa, email po lai pa la. You're getting the hang of it. Okay, last one. We want to ask, instead of tomorrow, could we meet the day after tomorrow? Manepya asa, tabek ka ma twelo yamala. Can you say that? Cool. And what about this one? How could we say, instead of Tuesday, could we meet on Friday? Yay, absolutely. Ingane asa, thalchane ma twelo yamala. One last time. Over to you. Ingane asa, thalchane ma twelo yamala. Woohoo! Congratulations! That was 5 minutes well spent. You did really well. Review this lesson as often as you need to feel comfortable with using this language. Thank you for joining me for this episode of 5 Minute Myanmar Grammar. See you later. Ngā mā bien dui mi.